So the students, this is the to be form of verbs, present, past and future. There is the some pronouns are given here, and what are they are called in the present tense, past tense and future tense. I am, I के साथ to be form of the verb, pronouns are given here. Pronouns are given here: I, we, you, they, he, she and it. And in present tense, what form of to be verb used in it? In present tense verb, I am, we are, you are, they are, he is, she is, it is. I am a boy, we are students, you are a teacher, they are players, he is a boy, she is a girl, it is good. So these are the sentences, and these are present tense to be form of the verb. And next, to be form of verb with respect to past tense. I was there, we were there, you were there, they were there, he was there, she was there, and it was here. In future tense, I shall be, I will be, we shall be, we will be, you will be, they will be, he will be, she will be, and it will be.